Honesty is being fair, sincere, and truthful. A person who's honest can be trusted to share an opinion in a kind and thoughtful way and tell the truth even when it's difficult. Honesty is the most important of the character traits. It's the foundation for the emotional well-being of any person or community. An honest person is both trusted and admired by others. Honest people also enjoy a sense of security and peace. To be honest, make a commitment to yourself to tell the truth. Tell a trusted friend or adult that it's something you want to work on, so you'll have some extra support. When you're faced with a situation where you might ordinarily lie, pause and think about the reasons why you want to be honest and how you can be honest in this particular situation. If you do lie or start to tell a lie, it's not too late to fix it. Just stop what you're doing and say, "I'm sorry, but that's not the truth." Then tell the truth. Explain why you felt like you needed to lie and admit that it's something you're working on. It takes a lot of courage to admit a mistake like that, and chances are the other person will appreciate your honesty and courage. You can even reward yourself when you've told the truth in an especially difficult situation. Being honest is the right thing to do, even though sometimes it's really hard.